Frustrated by the Wshtcp.dll Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before diving into the Wshtcp.dll library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Wshtcp.dll library, the Windows Sockets helper for TCP/IP. It provides the unmanaged helper routines required for the WinSock2 subsystem to interact with the TCP/IP stack. It manages the data link orchestration for low-level socket manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scannow to restore core system components, including the missing Wshtcp.dll library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Wshtcp/IP library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Wshtcp/IP library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Wshtcp/IP library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Wshtcp/IP library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.